Are altcoins outperforming Bitcoin in the world of crypto today? The big question is, are altcoins finally outperforming Bitcoin? The answer, at least for now, is no. According to the latest CoinMarketCap Altcoin Season Index, the reading stands at 41 out of 100. That firmly places us in what's called Bitcoin season, where capital is still favoring Bitcoin over altcoins. Let's break down what's happening. Bitcoin dominance currently sits at 55%, slightly lower than the previous day, but still strong enough to show that investors continue to see Bitcoin as the main macro hedge. Even though some money is flowing into altcoins, the overall weight of the market is leaning towards Bitcoin. Ethereum's dominance, on the other hand, has climbed to 91%, driven in part by institutional interest and spot ETH ETFs, which now hold more than $22 billion in assets under management. Now, when it comes to altcoins, there are some interesting bright spots, especially in the real-world assets category, also called RWA. We've seen a huge surge here, led by OpenEden's Eden token launch, which skyrocketed by over 34,000% in market cap in just 24 hours. That's partly due to a 7.5% airdrop, along with a $100,000 liquidity boost from RWA Inc. These moves have fueled short-term excitement, although this rally is still very niche and concentrated rather than market-wide. In addition to RWAs, AI agent-related tokens like Virtual are also on the radar, though they haven't had the same explosive performance. In fact, Virtual has dropped about 5.6% this week, showing that not all narratives are moving in the same direction. Meanwhile, in the derivatives market, things have been heating up. Perpetual futures open interest has jumped 27% in the last 24 hours, reaching a massive $965 billion. Traders seem to be chasing volatility in altcoins, as altcoin funding rates are climbing faster than Bitcoin's. But here's the risk. Bitcoin has seen $213 million in liquidations in just one day, an increase of 147%. That means a lot of overleveraged positions could get wiped out quickly if Bitcoin's price makes a sharp move, leading to cascading sell-offs across the market. So what does all of this mean? Even though we're seeing strong activity in certain altcoin sectors like RWA and AI, the broader market still hasn't entered a true altcoin season. Bitcoin's gravitational pull remains strong, keeping most of the capital focused on itself. However, there's one metric worth watching: the ETH to BTC ratio, which is up by 20% this month. If this ratio can break above 0.08, we might start to see a shift in momentum toward altcoins. For now, though, Bitcoin is still the king of the market. Altcoins may have their moments, but the capital, the confidence and the dominance remain firmly with Bitcoin.